wiki.ezvid.com. Search Ezvid Wiki before you decide. Ezvid presents the 7 best knockout punches. Let's get started with the list. Starting off our list at number 7. The hydraulic pump in the yescom driver kit comes equipped with an on-off safety switch and a plastic grip, and delivers an impressive 15 tons of pressure. This offering is rated to cut through 11-gauge steel and 14-gauge stainless steel. It's a very affordable option that includes spare gaskets for the pump, but the latches on the metal carrying case are loose. At number 6, the Temko T8 0037 includes a set of 10 dies, enabling users to prepare raceways for any conduit sized from ½ an inch all the way up to 4 inches. This unit is rated for use on 1/8 of an inch steel and 1/16 of an inch stainless steel. It's backed by a 5-year warranty and suitable for use on fiberglass too. However, the whole kit is heavy at 60 pounds. Coming in at number 5 on our list, the Greenlee 7238 SB is a tried and true classic in its category. Its ratcheting action requires a little effort on the part of the user, but there are none of the high-maintenance moving parts that come with hydraulic or battery-powered options. It includes a set of 6 dies and a 1-year limited warranty, but it works slower than powered options. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for knockout punches, or simply click beneath this video. At number 4, the ratcheting Klein Tools 53732 SEN delivers all the quality craftsmanship and functionality that you'd expect from a top name in the industry, but at a considerably lower cost than some of its competitors. Its dies cut holes from 22mm to 62mm in diameter. This one's rated for use on 10-gauge mild steel and also cuts aluminum and fiberglass. It includes a plastic carrying case. Nearing the top of our list at number 3. In addition to the tool and carrying case, the Milwaukee Logic 6T comes with a multi-voltage charger that's compatible with all M12 and M18 units from the company. Its 18-volt lithium-ion battery pack incorporates an integrated charge display. It's lightweight at less than 2 pounds and rated for 14-gauge mild steel. Note that dies are sold separately. At number 2, the 11-ton hydraulic ram on the Greenlee 7310 SB gets the job done up to 10 times faster than the company's wrench-style model. Its slug-buster technology splits steel offcuts in half as they're being removed, which prevents the nuisance of getting them stuck in your dies. This one includes 2 draw studs and 10 dies, a step bit for pilot holes, and a compact steel carrying case. And taking the top spot on our list, lightweight at 4.2 pounds and powered by Makita-made 18-volt lithium-ion batteries, the Greenlee LS50 saves users from heavy lifting and arduous repetitive motions as it cuts through electrical cabinets with ease at the squeeze of a trigger. It features a swiveling head for awkward angles and is compatible with the Gator Eye app. It's easy to operate with one hand. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for knockout punches, or simply click beneath this video.